Welcome. In this video, we're going to guide you step by step on how to search for a message by date in a WhatsApp chat. This updated feature makes it easier than ever to find old messages without endless scrolling. Let's dive right in. First, open the WhatsApp app on your device. Once you're in, navigate to the chat where you want to search for a specific message. This can be a personal chat or a group conversation. Next, look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see 3 vertical dots. Tap on them. A menu will appear with several options. From this list, select the option labeled Search. Now, you'll notice a search bar appears at the top of your chat screen. Right next to the up and down arrows in this bar, there's a small calendar icon. Tap on this calendar icon to bring up the date selection tool. Once the calendar interface appears, you can scroll through the dates to find the one you're looking for. Select your desired date by adjusting the day, month, and year as needed. After selecting the date, tap OK. At this point, WhatsApp will instantly jump to the messages from that specific date in your chat history. It's quick and efficient, saving you loads of time compared to manual scrolling. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can now pinpoint any message from a particular date in your WhatsApp chats. This feature is perfect for revisiting important conversations or finding specific details shared on a certain day. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to share it with others who might need it. Thanks for watching and enjoy using this handy WhatsApp feature.